So I literally have about 5 minutes and I need to leave because my car will be outside. Oh my god.
I got them all wet, shaking what they mama gave.
So I just filmed a couple of videos, it's really small videos, and I did this makeup. Now I need to hop in the shower. I have about, how many hours? Okay, I have 2 hours and I still have not packed yet. So, okay, let's go. I need to hop in the shower. Alright, and then okay. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hop in the shower, come back, I'm gonna get dressed and come back and talk to you guys. I already packed my makeup. Thank God. I just need to add some more clothes and I still haven't eaten yet. And I'm hungry, guys. I need to eat. Alright. I got so much stuff to do, guys. Alright, let's go.
What all do you want from me? ARs and them 223.
Okay, so I'm finally dressed. I'm just gonna throw on a hat. I have about like 5 minutes and the car, my ride will be out here. So oh Lord. All I just put on I don't have the bottoms on yet, so anyway, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit when we get there. I still need to grab my purses too. Okay, so I need to grab my purses. But anyway, I wanted to quickly show you guys some new shoes. Now, I usually never wear sneakers. I only wear sneakers when I go work out, and they're like some cheap shoes. But this is my first real purchase buying some sneakers, and I was so excited, and I feel like today would be the perfect day to wear them. So these are it. And the thing is, I love sneakers, but I'm just more so a sandal person. You guys see what I wear all the time anyway. So I just purchased these. Were they on sale? I think they actually were on sale. That's probably why. So this is what I got, guys. These are cute, and it's not me. You know what I mean? So that's why I got it. Well, actually, they are me because I love black. I'm always wearing black, guys. So these are the shoes. It's so crazy. I'm so excited. I can't wait to wear them. And the thing is, oh, I almost break my nose. Oh my god, I need to hurry up. I don't have time to go in detail about these shoes, but I'm gonna, I guess I'll show you guys later. But yeah, these are it. So I am about to, I hope I do not get these dirty, actually. Alright, so I'm about to throw these on, throw some pants on, and then we're gonna leave. I'm so excited. Usually when I'm on vacation, I will try to edit every day, so every day a video will be ready to upload. This vacation, guys, I am not bringing my laptop, so literally I'm just gonna be filming. It's gonna be exciting. I guess it's gonna be a lot of work for me when I get back, but anyway. All right. We gotta go, guys. We gotta go. I'm so bad with managing time. That's what it is. I'm just bad managing time. Alright, let's go, guys.
slow motion. I was just like, it's coming. It's coming. Did you get that?
You said no to me. You said no to me. I know y'all didn't take a shot without me. I see what's going on.
Well, you blocking from off your live. We couldn't get in it.
I'm not even on live right now.
She went on live?
Wait.
Oh